Welcome. So you want to desaturate an image. Let's start. Okay, first of all, you want to make sure you type in the right search words. We're looking for quality photography, so make sure you type in photo, not pic of or drawing. You're looking for a photo. Next thing is what kind of photo you want. So photography of or photo of. I'm gonna type in chimpanzee. If you want something even better than this, you want to type in like National Geographic or a magazine that you know provides high quality imagery and good artistic imagery of these chimps. So now I'm looking for a photo of a chimp. What we're looking for is something with high contrast like this that has a lot of darks, a lot of lights. This one's pretty good too. If you already found something in black and white, fantastic. But what if you don't? What if you find a picture that you absolutely love, but it's not in black and white? Let's say it's this one. He's a pretty cute chimp. No, it's a screen capture, so I changed my mind. What about this little guy? All right, let's say you absolutely love this. Don't save the thumbnail. The thumbnail is low quality. You're going to get a blurry, pixelated image if you save that one. What we want to do is once you click it, you save this one on the right. To confirm that it's a larger format image, something high quality, high resolution, look at the number. If it's in the close to thousands or high thousands, like 3,000 by 2,000, you know it's going to save well. You can blow this up as big as this computer screen and it won't look pixelated. I'm going to save this as chimp. I'm going to put it in my downloads and save. All right. It should pop up down here. I'm going to click on that. And now it's time to desaturate. His eyes are all crazy. What you want to do here when you open it up is click on edit and create. One second. I'm recording a video, sir. 1 second. I'm going to edit. We are going to adjust. You can do filters as well. Some filters will give you some fantastic black and white. You want just black and white. Yeah, I'm not liking that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reduce color. I'm gonna increase a little bit of light, not too much. Remember, you want some high contrast, some darks and some light lights. Clarity, yeah, I'm going to go about there, and then I'm done saving it. Save it somewhere where you'll find it. I'm gonna retitle this black and white, chimp black and white. Save it, and you're ready to work with your drawing. This should look amazing when it's time to draw. Thanks.